Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by and joining me today for just a few minutes of crafting. I was sitting here at my desk and I pulled out this die. It's from 49 in Market. It's a book pages die. So I pulled it out and I said, you know what I need? I need to make myself a small little mental health journal. So I started working with that, and when I worked with that, I made this little journal here. And it can make like a really big one, a little small one. So I started making this one, and then I said, well, I need that and I need something else. So I went and got another one of my dies that I put up, and I said, yes, let's make a small little journal that I could write in, that I could put positive sayings in, just something that you can have, because there's so much going on and you need something that helps keep you grounded. And with being a crafter, it has to be some type of a crafty item to keep your mental health going, and a mental health journal is just perfect. So I cut out these pages and I did a little stitching around them, and I want to put it together as a journal. So I wanted you to be here with me while I kind of did that. So I was going to lay it out that way. So it won't take very long, just showing you how to do that. Now these pages, I use some distress ink, some mica spray and everything, so things would be a little bit pretty when I was in there, when I'm working in there. So I need about 3 of those in there. Another, thing like that. Some more pages. I love how these pages came out. Look how they came out. It's, with just that. And this one, look how much sparkle is in there. Isn't that pretty? So I'm going to be writing on them. So I want to do that. Just get the little book together. Sometimes you just need to sit down and make a little something. And as being crafters, most of us craft because we enjoy it, and also crafting for your mental health. There's so much going on. You got to have that few minutes where you can just sit down and just settle down and just craft and just make something. You don't have to make anything big all the time. Something small. I just love how the mica spray is on there. Just something small so you could come in or take it upstairs while you're watching TV and just write something, or find a saying that you really like, cut it out and paste it in your mental health journal. So that's what I'll be doing. And I love these little pages here. This is so beautiful that I could, write on that too. And this is the one I want to use for the backing. So now that I got them all together here in this little journal, look at that. Doesn't that seem peaceful? So what I wanted to do, I have these jewelry findings from the jewelry shop. It's the 15mm round heavy gauge jump ring. So I think I'm just going to put the jump ring in there. Let me see, do I have I don't have the right tools to open it up, but I think I'm just going to open these up. I'm going to use this, hope I don't crunch it in half. I'm going to use this to just open up the rings so I can feed it through. So it's just a simple little journal, and we all have these, or if you don't have a die that cuts them out, I usually use a die because when I'm cutting, I'm not as precise as I should be, and I get mad because I'm not precise and I can't. But if you can be precise, just do that. Take your crocodile and put a few holes in there. If I can get this going, let's see. Wait a minute. Let me play with it a little bit. And take your crocodile, put a few holes in it, and then just have your journal. You don't have to have a die all the time, but like I said, my stash is full. My papers and my dies are full. So I can just do that. And so I want to have it with me, so when I'm about and when I'm upstairs and in the house and I'm thinking, I'm sitting down, I'm watching TV. Sometimes when I'm watching TV, I don't know if that's true with you, but sometimes when I'm watching TV, some character on some show will say something that's so, applicable to what I'm thinking, that I want to write it down somewhere, because I want to remember it. I want to remember those words. I was watching a British show the other day, and the guy said something, and I go, oh my God, I need to write that down. That is just so cool. And then what I'll do with this is, when I'm just thinking, and sometimes when I'm feeling like things are too much, I'll just get my little journal out, read some of my little sayings, see what I wrote. And it's not like a gratitude journal where you're being thankful for everything. It's just one of the ones where you just write stuff down. So there it is. And then I just flip it up. See the beautiful pages. I can write on him too. And then just start to write. That's a simple little journal. That is just so simple. And I have some more pages. I think I was going to put 2 of them together, so I'd have 2 of them. So I have this one, and then that's my cover, so I'm going to lay that down. This one's going to have more greens in it. This one, I put a little pocket on it, because if I tear out, I got a little pocket, one of those, those little pocket things we found, I think it was at the Target, where you can put something there. So if I write something down, or I have a piece of paper or a sticky note, I'm just going to stick it in there so I can have it. So I have all kinds of things that I can just use to write and keep my journal. There's lots of ways to journal. There's lots of ways to do everything. All you really have to do is get started and just enjoy the process. It's so important nowadays that we think of our mental health, and we do things that are fun, and we do things that are calming. You need that calmness. Everybody needs that. Do I have any more pages I want to use? So I cut out extras just in case. So this one I want to do the same thing. So I just want to get out those open. Get it? Oh, that one fell on the floor. These are slippery little buggers. So get that out. And just thread it through. And I'm ready to go. I have like two little mental health journals. So I'm a journal person. I was saying to my friend the other day when she and I were talking, and I said, I have all my journals, and I write so much stuff in them that I have to figure out, once I get them all done, and I do finish them up and and they're all filled with my writings, what to do with them. So I was talking to my daughter, and she said, well, take them all and put them together somehow and make them into a story. Because she saw me working on one of my other journals where I'm trying to write a story for my detective crime journal. So she said, why don't you just put all your journals, take them all and put them and look through them and make them into a story. So that's one thing you could do. If you had never fancied yourself as a writer, there you go with all your journals. Turn yourself into a writer. So here we are. This one may need a few more pages. So these are my 2 mental health journals. Now this one, what I wanted to do with this one, I'm going to have to still work on that, so I'll have to do that in another video. I have this one. I wanted to make a lemon squeezy journal, but I don't want to put it in here. I have this one that I'm working on, so I'm still working on them. Still working on I like little journals. So tell me what you think. Do you like big journals, little journals? Or if you had a mental health journal, that's my dog underneath. She just woke up. So, are you okay? Yeah? What? Okay, come here. Come here. Yeah, come here. Come here. Let me go and check on her. Hold on for a second. She's okay. So I just went to check on her. She's okay. They have that thing that I think they call it a reverse sneeze or something like that. And she just woke up. So that's what's going on with her. So here they are, my 2 mental health journals. Now, if you made yourself a mental health journal, what would you write in yours? How would you process the things that are going on and that you want to write down to keep yourself calm? It's not quite a diary. It's something. It's different. So tell me what you would do. Tell me what you think of the journals, the little journals that I made. I'm going to add pages to them, so I think I'm going to use them throughout. I think I'm going to use them for the whole year. So let me know, or 6 months, 6 months on each. This one will be short because we're already into March, but this one will be short. But I think this one will go the next half of the 6 months. So tell me what you think. If you like this video and you like this idea, give me a thumbs up, because it helps my algorithm and will help my channel to grow. Also, comments help, so leave a comment, because I like to hear from you and see what you think about what I'm doing. Also, I will see you in my next video. I am making a quilted journal cover. So I want to show you that. I'm actually sewing. I'm not good at sewing, so when you see it, let me know what you think. So I'll check you out in the next video. Please have a good day. Take care of your mental health, and I'll see you later. Bye now.